Cancer immunology is the science whereby the immune system is able to recognize and destroy cancer. So the entire field is trying to understand the interaction between the immune system and cancer and how we can develop therapies that are based on this innate capability of your body. Cancer is a very difficult disease. It's not a single disease. It's actually probably 200 different diseases.
One of the real terrific parts about cancer immunology is the ability to exploit the immune system to attack different cancer types.
It can be less toxic and also have the most durable effects, so that if you really want to cure a cancer, immunotherapy, I think, has got to be part of that recipe.
It's really very exciting because if we can activate the immune system against the cancer, I suspect we can get cures.
Making a grant between Stand Up to Cancer and the Cancer Research Institute for a dream team is taking the best science and the best minds to work on this together and really make a difference in a short period of time.
The purpose of our research is really to learn how effectively to allow our immune system, our own body's defense mechanisms, to attack cancer cells. We're doing this by disabling the brakes that keep the immune system from doing that efficiently.
To figure out exactly on a patient-specific basis what are the brakes that inhibit that patient's immune system in going after and killing their tumor.
We're taking part of the immune system outside of the patient and giving it back on an approach that's called adoptive cell transfer therapy.
The advantage of using adoptive cellular therapy is that now you have a potential to treat patients with minimal toxicity, high specificity, and long-term immunoprotection.
We're trying to make an army of lymphocytes that can attack the bad guys, the cancer. We take the precursors to the lymphocytes, some of these cells, to the lab, and then we activate them. We give them the power to go back and then become a large army to attack the tumor. By doing this, we have changed the patient's immune system to become a cancer-fighting immune system.
Once you know the molecules and what they do, you can develop the therapies that disable them if they're inhibiting the immune system or enhance them if they're activating the immune system.
I think a fundamental goal is to develop methods that allow us to generate T cells that can survive for a long time and can have anti-tumor function.
We're treating the immune system, not the cancer. And so what we learned is potentially useful across the board to many, if not all, kinds of cancer.
We're empowering that patient's immune system to really do its job. I have never had the optimism in the last 25 years that I've been doing this that I have now.
This Stand Up to Cancer CRI team has brought us together to have us all looking at the more broad problems, and bring all of our different expertise to bear on this single problem collectively.
It's pretty evident that people are becoming aware that not only can we invest in this type of research, but that it's going to pay off.
I have very, very high hopes that we're going to have tremendous impact on cancer patients, which is ultimately what we're all about.